Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a blurry border to your videos. Super simple. Actually, make sure your video is on the main track here and scale your video down. Then you are going to select the canvas button and you're just going to simply select blur. You can choose from this blur, that one, this one, and like the most blurred one. It is totally up to you. Just going to select this blur, I guess. And if you want to like add in a shadow to like your videos to add like a frame, just going to copy and paste this, and then I'm going to go to the library and I'm going to add in a black stock video here. Go to mask and go to rectangle and just adjust your video and just feather it out a little bit like that. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!